In this video, we would look at some features of the newspaper headline style. Let's consider the following headline: Life on Mars, War of the Words, which was taken from the Friday Review section of The Independent, published on August 21, 1998. The article deals with the fierce debate about the possibility of life on Mars. It should be pointed out from the very beginning that headline writers use a wide range of devices to create a very specific style, which is sometimes called headlinese. Their one-liners must summarize the main point of the article on the one hand and capture the reader's attention on the other. Consequently, an essential feature of headlines is their typographical makeup. They are usually in a larger and bolder typeface than that of the articles they introduce. As a result of the size of the print and the restricted space available in the layout of the page, ellipses is another device commonly used by headline writers. Ellipses is the intentional omission of words. The result is a succinct style which has a direct and powerful effect on the reader. Usually, the omission can be easily recovered or guessed from the context. So, in our case, we could have the following sentence: The life on Mars debate remains a war of words. We can notice that the headline doesn't have a verb. This is replaced by the dash. This structure has the effect of all the focus being on the balanced phrases Life on Mars and War of the Words. Though headlines are meant to be read silently, the way their sounds and word stresses are patterned often appeals to our inner ear. In this headline, for example, the strong stresses on the nouns life, Mars, war, and words are equally divided over the two phrases, while the initial sounds of war and words alliterate. So, alliteration is another device used by the headline writer, and it means that the consonant sound is repeated in this particular phrase. Apart from being pleasing to our ears and sense of rhythm, such sound effects add to the attention-drawing aspect and memorability of the headline. Finally, the phrase war of the words is an excellent illustration of intertextuality. On the one hand, it alludes to another text, and on the other, it appeals to the reader's awareness of that text. In our headline, the intertextual allusion is heralded by the first phrase, life on Mars. This may kindle the reader's secret fear of Martians invading the world, which in turn accounts for the popular appeal of Wells's famous science fiction novel, The War of the Worlds, which was published in 1898, to which the second phrase, War of the Words, obviously alludes. In fact, for some readers, the intertextual echo may be further reinforced if they recollect that in 1938, Orson Welles broadcast a dramatization of the novel in the United States, which stirred up great excitement because millions of listeners mistook it for a factual account of an invasion by Martians. Stylistically, intertextuality appears to have the effect of giving the reader the pleasurable sense of satisfaction at having spotted the allusion, and it may often intensify the overall significance of the text. This example was taken from Peter Verdonk's book entitled Stylistics, published by Oxford University Press in 2002.